guys, it's CrafTea. This is going to be a more low quality video, even though this looks kind of nice. I have a whole bunch of junk in the background that I just didn't bother cleaning up. So I hope you don't mind. I just wanted to film a quick video. So let's get into it. I have my slime shelf. Whoa, zoom out. And these are all my pre-made slimes, and then these are basically like all the add-ins. We've got the glue there. Don't think I'm gonna make a clear glue, so I'm gonna grab my white glue. Okay, so we've got my white glue. Next I need some activator, and my activator's up here. Okay, so now I've got one part of my activator. Now I've got two. I'm going to scent it cotton candy. I've got some clay. And then lastly, I've got some rainbow colored sprinkle confetti. So these are all the things that I'm going to be using for this slime. Okay, so I've got my bowl here, and I'm going to start by pouring some glue in. Oh my goodness, this glue is stuck shut. I got it open. I don't really know how much I'm going to pour in, just like a reasonable amount. I'm going to be filling up this container, so this is how big it's going to be. This is how big it's gonna be. There's not much glue left in this, so we'll just let it sit for a bit. Okay, I think that's all I'm getting out of this for now, at least. Next, I'm gonna add in just a little bit of baking soda, since we're making like a pretty small amount. I'm gonna mix this all up. And now I'm gonna start adding my contact lens solution. You want to add contact lens solution until your mixture starts fully not sticking to the sides of your bowl. If you touch it and it feels like it's too sticky still, just add some more contact lens solution. This feels pretty good now, I think. It's still a bit sticky, but contact lens solution seems to like activate a little bit after you make it, so it'll become less sticky the more it sits. I'm gonna just assume that that's gonna happen, and I'm going to move on to decorating the container. Okay, so I've got this container. This is the container I'm gonna be using to store the slime. Oh, the battery on my camera is flashing right now, so I'll be back in just 1 minute. Okay, so I am back. I'm going to take some of these confetti sprinkles and sprinkle them into the bottom of the container. They look so cute. I think that's enough. Then I'm going to take this purple clay that I have here and make a little like patty sort of thing in the bottom. Then I'll just place it in the bottom, trying not to disturb any of the sprinkles. Look at how cool this looks. It looks like all the glitters are just suspended in there perfectly. I added just a little bit more clay to make the layer look a little thicker. I think I'm going to be doing another layer of clay. I think I'm going to do pink. This layer is going to be a little bit thinner than the purple one, just because I want the purple one to be the thickest. Wow, this looks really cool. Okay, now we're going to put this to the side and come back to the slime. I totally forgot to add my scent to this, so I'm going to add some cotton candy scent to it right now. I'm just going to make a little hole and drip a couple drops in. This smells really good. I think this feels good. So I'm gonna bring back in this container that we made earlier. I'm gonna start putting some of the slime in there. I think I might have over-activated this a little bit. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I actually ended up taking out the pre-made slime from here and adding some glue because I thought it was a little over-activated. I'm just gonna put the rest of it back in here. Make sure there's no air bubbles down here. This is the perfect amount of slime. I'm gonna put the bowl to the side and bring back in my clay. I'm gonna take my purple clay and I'm gonna roll it into a ball and flatten it out super thin. Okay, this looks like about the right size. I'm gonna cut it out with the lid. I'm gonna put it on top. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's super, super cute. But the last thing I'm gonna be doing right now is taking some more of these really pretty sprinkles and sprinkling them on the top. Oh, I feel like more of those bounced off than actually stayed on. And this special birthday slime is done. I think it is just super adorable. Perfect for anybody's birthday. Oh, hello, Rillian. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I really hope that this person that I'm giving it to will like it. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!